Hey everyone, today I'm going to do the same flower that I did in blue in different colors because I was asked by someone if I could do one for them, and I decided, okay, I might as well record it. So I'm using Custom Craft 4 drops. And I'll put that aside while I pour this in. My resin is 32 degrees. It is a 1-to-1 resin that I'm using. It's an Australian made resin called Art Co by Harry and Wilma. Good, I don't see no bubbles. I'll start my colors. So I'm using marabou today. Now the marabou does make a lot of mess. I start with magenta. Neon pink. We'll go for yellow in the middle. And I'm going to do a little bit of blue on the while it's doing its thing. And this is the most important of all, let them finish moving before you put your white in, because sometimes if you put the white in straight away, you're going to find that your flower petals are going to be pulled with the alcohol inks, and then you wonder why you've got a problem with your petals. So always wait till it stops moving. It's only a couple of minutes, so while that's doing its thing, you just mix your white. Thinking whether I should put a deeper magenta in. Just to give it a little bit more depth. Shocking weather today. Where are we? Magenta. Okay, where is it? So put a little bit of dark magenta in, see how that goes. Hope it'll pick it up. Okay. And I'm just going to follow the contour. This is a mold that I made. I did a drawing of a hibiscus flower and just made the mold. And in the middle, I think that's it. Oops. Okay. We'll see you in the molding. Hi everyone. Let's have a look. Unmolding time. See how this one turned out. Okay, you ready? 1, 2. Oh, that is gorgeous. Beautiful. Let me get my black. God, I think it shines the colors. Oh wow. Bring you down. Oh, look at that. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. And thank you for all the support. Love you guys. Bye. This is a spare piece that I did. I just wanted to have a look. I just did it in one color. There's a few little divots in my mold, so I'll have to do a top coat. This came out beautiful. Have a look at that. Absolutely stunning. Thank you for watching.